Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to Books, Beauty, and Stuff. It has been a whole summer since I did a video. I had to take some mental health time off for myself. I had to just get myself in order, to come back better, bigger, stronger, and whatever. So I just had to take the summer off for a minute. So yeah, let's get started on what I'm here to talk about. So as you guys know, those who do follow me, I have been a makeup artist for the last 13. So I do want to talk about what I've been using personally in my kit. Not everything, but personally what I've been using in my kit. And also a few shades from the lipstick I've been using on my clients. Okay. I did have an opportunity to do a makeover on a lovely young lady. Those who follow my Instagram, Glam Fam with Time will know I did a makeover on one of my clients. She's a nurse at my church. So the product breakdown is on the Instagram, so I would definitely get onto you with that. But I want to talk about some of the lipsticks I did too, also this year. I had also did one of my good girlfriends who we went to school together. She helped me with my portfolio as well too. So I'm going to talk about some of the lipsticks that I've used on them, and I'm also going to talk about some of the lipsticks that I used on myself this whole summer as well too. First of all, Nurse Janie, she's an older young lady, older lady, more mature. On her lips, I've actually used 2 lipsticks on her. I've used Rich Auntie, and I also used Big Gretch. Now, Big Gretch used to be called Playmate there. I think, if I'm not mistaken, Big Gretch is sold out on their website. But somebody else told me, a friend of mine told me that if you check in the Michigan stores like Target or maybe CVS, you can get them. They might have them still in there. So I would say definitely check it out. But currently that Big Gretch is sold out. And Big Gretch comes from the governor, Gretchen Whitmer, Democratic governor of the state of Michigan. Whenever she's in Detroit, she goes by the lip bar and purchases the lip color Playmate, which is now called Big Gretch. So shout out, I'm cool. I'm here for her. I'm shouting out black women-owned businesses as well too. Shout out to a black-owned brand that's excellent as well too. And speaking of what I have on my lip today, I have on a mixture of Drama Queen mixed with Prima Donna. Definitely love these. I will link these down in the link bar below. And yeah, on my girlfriend, I actually used Bawse Lady in one picture, and the other picture I used It Girl and Miel Pink. Miel Pink actually was limited edition. It was in a collaboration with Miel Organics. So that's limited edition, y'all. But they got so many wonderful pinks on there you could use. It Girl is one of them. Playmate is more of like a pinky purple that's will be Gretch, so you could definitely use that one as well. I'm trying to think. What's another pinky color? Firecracker lipstick. If you want a good pink lipstick, I would recommend Firecracker. As a matter of fact, I gotta go update my order list now too. So yeah, because I have to. I end up ordering Rich Auntie, and I end up ordering a limited edition color called Very Rich. Is a matte metallic. So that's a pretty pink as well if you want to get that as well too. This is not a sponsored video. I basically love the lip bar. I just started using them more so I seen them during the pandemic, but I'm also started using them more so afterwards too. So, and I've been wearing them all summer. Like, I've been wearing Bawse Lady, which is this one. This is my own personal lipstick. So this is Bawse Lady, and I'm gonna put it on my hand. This is my own personal use. This is like a blue base red, so very, very beautiful, very blue based. And they dry down pretty matte. They dry down matte. So if you do want to matte, I'm gonna say this though, always put a lip balm underneath because they are pretty drying. But I always say put a lip balm underneath any type of lipstick you wear. This is It Girl. See this beautiful pink right here? Prima Donna. See this purple color right here? And I've been honestly mixing a lot of them all. Just mixing them all together with different colors, all of them at one point in time. And this is Drama Queen. See that beautiful purple? Yes, honey. So I've been mixing them all together. Basically, Bawse Lady has been one. I'm going to get another one soon. Gave that one to my friend. Gave Rich Auntie to Nurse Janie, but Rich Auntie is coming back in the kit. So yeah. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is just a quick video to let y'all know how I'm doing. I'm doing okay. I'm getting back into reading soon. I'm just getting myself together. So I shall talk to you soon. Bye.